In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix no sound issues in Google Chrome. If videos, websites, or online meetings aren't playing audio, these simple troubleshooting steps can help restore sound. First, check your computer's volume. Make sure your speakers or headphones are connected properly, the system isn't muted, and the correct audio output device is selected. Then play a video in Chrome and confirm the player itself isn't muted. If you're using Windows, right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and open Volume Mixer. Make sure Google Chrome isn't muted and that its volume slider is turned up. Next, check the website's sound permission. Open the website that's having the issue, click the lock icon next to the address bar, and make sure sound is set to allow. Reload the web page after making the change. If the problem continues, disable your Chrome extensions temporarily. Click the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, and turn off your extensions one by one. Refresh the web page after each change to see if an extension is causing the problem. You can also clear Chrome's cache and cookies. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then delete browsing data. Select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data, then click Delete Data. Restart Chrome afterward. Finally, make sure Google Chrome is up to date. Click the three-dot menu, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install the latest version if one is available. Restart the browser when the update is complete. That's how to fix no sound issues in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.